now. What we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times.
Hello everyone and welcome back. How you have been? How was your weekend? I'm sharing this video of last Friday. This will give you a glimpse of my day. How usually my life goes on. Once Ishi has left for school, this is the time when we grab our tea and coffee and spend some time together.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh,
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away.
Today we are heading to Jio World Drive. It's very close to my place and it is one of my favorite places to shop for any specialty items.
Windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken.
This place has some cute little nook style restaurants and cafes, apart from some proper dine out restaurants. I really like the Geo Fresh Mart that they have, and they have a huge selection of specialty food. But today, these mushrooms really caught my eyes. Though I was here only just to shop some Thai ingredients, as I wanted to make Thai curry this coming weekend. Let me know if you want to know the recipe of Thai curry. West Elm being my favorite shop, and it is such a eye candy to come here and just watch these things. They of course are very, very expensive products, but look at the collection. I'm so happy just by seeing it.
Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way.
After coming back from store and washing hands, the first thing I like to put is anything that needs to go in the fridge immediately. It's evening time and I want to start preparing for dinner. I have some leftover rotis from the lunch time, and I want to prepare something very different today. We usually eat oats roti, and with these leftover oats roti I want to prepare some tortilla chips, and I've cut them in triangles. I will just simply bake them at 180°C for 20 minutes.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
I'll also prepare some hummus. For that, I'm boiling some chickpeas with salt in it. After 20 minutes, when the tortilla chips are out, I'll prepare this quick marinade and apply on top, and then again bake it for 10 minutes. Make sure your rotis are little thick, and do check the timings based on your oven temperature.
You and I, we got it.
Adding some fresh minced garlic adds a different punch to the marinade and takes your tortilla chips to really next level. I'll be using the same marinade in many other things today, which you will see further in the video. instance, these parboiled potatoes, I'll chop them in wedges, bake them again for 20 minutes, and again coat them with the same marinade and bake them for 10 more minutes. Our chickpeas are ready. This water is known as aquafaba. You can always make it a little thick on the stove top, beat it and use it instead of eggs. If you're using it in cakes, then make sure it's not salted. Look at the tortilla chips. I'm making the second batch again because I know that will not be enough for all of us. It's a Friday night and we're planning for a movie tonight. So these finger food comes really handy. This type of mezze platter is not a platter without hummus, and to make hummus at home, make sure you add good enough tahini in it. Tahini is nothing but a sesame paste, and just by roasting the sesame seeds a little, it just enhances the flavor. Make sure you're doing it on a very low flame. And no, you do not need a high-speed blender or anything. Just your normal mixer can do the job. Just keep patience and mix it in intervals. Baba ganoush is essentially an eggplant tahini mix. You can always roast these eggplants on the gas stove directly, but I prefer doing in oven as I do not have to stand there and watch. Don't forget to stuff garlic in it in whichever mode you are doing. Add generous pinch of salt to take the bitterness away from the eggplant. I'm pushing the eggplants on the same tray where I'm roasting the potatoes. Do you see the beautiful charring on the potatoes? I'll scoop out the flesh of eggplant and mix it with tahini. Since we have already mixed garlic and onion in tahini, and we will also add these roasted garlic that came out of the eggplant. A quick feta olive salad will complete my dish. I have various videos on how I make this type of thick yogurt, and yes, it is homemade yogurt. I use the whey to make buttermilk, and this thick hung yogurt works as spread for our desserts, and today I'm using it as a dip.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else, I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday.